Hey, thought I would talk about in this video a little bit about the essential reward special kit, which gives you a special percentage off when you buy them. So if you're on the monthly essential rewards subscription program, and you're running out of your Thieves products. I need more cleaner. Actually, I was running out of toothpaste, mouthwash, hand soap. So if you're running out of several Thieves products, think about ordering the Essential Rewards special kit. So let me explain. So you get I will get it. The Thieves 15 milliliter, 250 drops essential oil that you can use for so many things, diffusing on the bottom of your feet, saying, boosting your immune system. I was running out of toothpaste, great aroma, bright toothpaste. So this, if you were, sorry, got a phone call, so it paused for a second. Well, I'll just explain the prices at the end. Okay, so Thieves toothpaste, which is great, nice natural toothpaste, no chemicals, no yuck. You get 2 Thieves household cleaner, which I meant to bring over. Hold. So the Thieves household cleaner, you just need like 1 capful, pour it in the bottle. This is, I think, 16 ounces, maybe larger. No, I think this is 16 ounces. 1 capful, and fill the rest with water. Shake it, and you can use it to clean everything. So you get 2 of those. You get the Thieves mouthwash, which we love, and I actually I try to get my dollars to stretch. So this one I use about 1/3, and then I fill the rest up with water. So it's like getting 3 bottles for the price of 1. Obviously, if you're using a capful and then adding water, wow, you're getting a lot of uses of this for months and months and months of cleaning everything in your home. All plant-based products. This is the Thieves hand soap with a little pump. So you get 2 of them. And we know we're all washing our hands, so why not wash it with something that smells good, has the Thieves essential oil in it, which helps support your immune system, and it's plant-based. So you get 2 of those. Some other favorite products. Thieves, this is the waterless hand sanitizer. So that, I just carry that in my pocket every day. So if I need to quickly, I'm not where I can wash my hands, I use this. I actually like these new bottles. They're kind of cute. It's the same amount as the old bottle, but just a different shape. Pretty cute. So that I just carry in my pocket, or you carry in your purse, your briefcase, whatever. Throw one in the car. And one of my other favorite products, the Thieves spray, and you get 2 of those. This I carry in my pocket also always, and so if I go grocery shopping, I spray down my cart. Sometimes I will spray my mask. I don't know. I use it to clean different surfaces at work to keep it clean or around the house. So all of those products, if I bought them individually with my great member prices, the cost would be about $154.33 if I just bought those because I was running out. But if I notice I'm running out of several things, then I may just order the Essential Rewards kit that I can add to my monthly order, and then that only costs $118.50. So I'm saving $35.83. Well, $35, I could buy, I could get a free Thieves essential oil, or I could buy one of the cleaners plus maybe like the toothpaste and the mouthwash. So saving that money, it's just saving money. So sometimes maybe when you run out of something, you may go buy in bulk. So, sorry, I keep getting a phone call and it pauses. But you may buy in bulk for some things that will last you for months. So I'm just letting you know that this is an option. This is the Thieves Essential Reward Kit that you can get on your monthly order that gives you not only the member discount of 24% off all of these products, but you get an additional $35.83 off of that, kind of like a bundle. If you buy something in a bundle, then it's cheaper. So that's the Thieves Essential Reward Kit. Just wanted to let you know, some people don't even know that we have that. So if you're running out of many Thieves products, then consider that kit, and then you'll be set for months and months and months with all those products. Okay? So that's the Thieves. I will make a second video talking about the Ninja Red Essential Reward Kit. Again, just letting you know these are options, bundle packages that are kind of worth to investigate when you need some of the products. All right.